Cluck-It-Yourself easy backyard chicken coops for fresh eggs daily. Are you ready to wake up to the sound of clucking and the promise of fresh eggs every morning? Building a chicken coop in your backyard is simpler than you might think, and it's a fantastic way to connect with nature right at home. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a modest green space, there's a coop design that will fit your needs and your chicken's comfort. Step 1. Plan your space. First, consider how much space you can dedicate to your feathered friends. Chickens need room to roam, peck, and play. A good rule of thumb is about 10 square feet per chicken in the run area. Step 2. Choose your design. From rustic wooden coops to modern, eco-friendly designs, the options are endless. You can go for a traditional barn-like structure or get creative with recycled materials for an environmentally friendly touch. Step 3. Build with comfort in mind. Make sure your coop has proper ventilation, insulation for colder months, and protection from predators. Nesting boxes should be cozy and dark to encourage egg laying. Step 4. Keep it clean. A clean coop means healthy chickens and better eggs. Design your coop with easy access for cleaning and consider materials that are simple to wash and disinfect. Step 5. Enjoy the bounty. Once everything is set up, enjoy the daily bounty of fresh eggs. Not only will they taste better than store-bought, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing you're eating the fruits of your own labor. Building a chicken coop is a rewarding project that yields nutritious benefits and brings life to your backyard. So roll up your sleeves and start your Cluck-It-Yourself adventure today.